Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows services font is so small, or any program you are looking font size is so small. So to increase this font size, click on start, then settings. Now click on accessibility. Now here click on text size. So guys, you can make text size bigger, then click on apply. Now again close these services, type again services and open services. So as we can see now, some font size is changes. You can more, then apply, click on start. Now check type services, open services. So like this guys, you can increase font size in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.